Hello, boys and girls. We're at the province today in Pampanga. And as you can see, we have our Alienware laptop here. I don't have any gaming accessories here or anything, but when I bought the Alienware laptop, we did get some free keyboard, mice, and stuff. So we're gonna unbox that today. There we go. Yes, I don't have a tripod and stuff like that. These are the Fantech accessories. And yes, I'm doing this Rambo style. Fantech Clink HG2. This is a cheap one. I know this is a cheap one because I have one of these before from PisoNet. We have a MP25 Sven gaming mouse pad and the Rasta G10. Where do they come up with these names? And the keyboard is the Hunter K10. I'm not going to use the keyboard so much because if I add another keyboard in front of my Alienware, the display is going to be much smaller. But we're going to use the mouse pad and the mouse eventually. Let's start unboxing. So this is the keyboard. Yes, I'm going to guerrilla, no tripod style this. Oh, it's a membrane keyboard, of course. It's just a freebie. Look at that. Nothing else inside except a plastic. And what is this? No braiding, but what is that? Flat cable? Oh no, it's some sort of texture cable, whatever. Anyway, plastic, get rid of that. Wow, such a barren box, huh? Get rid of that. Here we go, that's the keyboard. All right, I found a top secret button to turn on the lights. It's the scroll lock key. What? It also turns on your scroll lock. What? What? I don't know what's going on. There's the lights. You can't change any of it. I'll put the microphone near it. You know, it's not terrible, but it is terrible. The separation between the keys is it's very hard to distinguish. The keys are not super concave or anything. Yeah. We have mute. Why is mute next to volume minus and volume plus next to the... Oh my god, this is destroying my brain right now. Volume minus, volume plus. Oh god, destroying my brain. Email, what is that? Internet Explorer. Search and refresh. There we go. So that, why did the lights turn off? That is the Hunter K10 keyboard, friends. Oh yeah, by the way, it's super lightweight. Look at this. Look at this, huh? You know, if you name your headset the Clink, you know you're asking for trouble. Sup, dude? I got the Clink. Who the heck puts their Sven MP25 mousepad in a piece of plastic? What? Okay, well, hopefully it gets into shape sooner or later. Oh boy. Now, most vloggers or YouTubers would be like, hey, these are great budget keyboards and mice. And they probably are. You know, I tried this mouse actually when I bought the Alienware, and it actually was pretty good. I got no complaints, and it's got Rgb lighting. Look at this. Huh? Not bad, huh? And it actually feels pretty good, even though it sort of feels a little bit, you know, a little too lightweight, a little too pinchy to the, you know, whatever. It's got RGB, it's got a scroll wheel that doesn't suck. Piece of crap SteelSeries Sensei with a really rotten scroll wheel. Throw that away. This one is not bad. Look at that. All right, I like it. RGB, decent. I think this is the best one of the bunch. All right, so listen, I'm not making fun of these budget peripherals because they're not bad, you know. All in all, I think this will cost 1,000 pesos, or basically it's a freebie with my laptop. But, you know, membrane keyboard, a pretty sort of decent mouse. You know, good for beginners, good for entry-level stuff. I'm not going to complain, you know. Hopefully you can hear me with the microphone, though. I plugged in the microphone. And your keyboard has RGB lighting. It actually types very decently, and you got some, you know, quick keys for muting and volume up and play and pause. You know, that's more than you can get for most budget setups. And this one has RGB, you know, fixed lighting. So not gonna complain. It is, you know, if you're into like mechanical keyboards and high-end mice, it is sort of laughable. But as you can see, it's not bad. Maybe a little bit more grippy rubber feet on the keyboard might be better though. Alright dudes, that's it for our unboxing of the keyboard, mice, mousepad, and hey, I'm wearing the clink on my head right now. So that's it for our unboxing. Pretty decent for the price. Can't complain. Thanks for watching. mousefromtechnoclass.com. I'll see you guys next time. Like, subscribe, you know what you do. You know what to do, actually, is what, yeah.